said, my brother, from another mother, you got to free yourself from this chair. Lift yourself from whatever you're under, 'cause you know you got a story to tell. Stand up, run down, turn up your sound. Never let them tell you no. Times when profound, no one's around. Never let them tell you no. Never let them tell you no.
I met a woman at the end of her wits. She had taken some scars and she was swinging, she'd miss. She tried working so hard that she was ready to quit. And when I asked her her worth, her reply made me sick. I said, my sister, I'm trying to get with you. Fuck a job, I feel you as well. Just change your focus and still keep working. You just gotta be a boss by yourself.